Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dyson Vacuum Charger is probably one of the most important accessories for your cordless vacuum cleaner, ensuring you always have the power to tackle dirt and dust, and understanding its functionality and maintenance is key to maximizing its lifespan and efficiency. This video will explore everything you need to know about this essential component, from its charging process to troubleshooting common issues, helping you keep your Dyson vacuum running smoothly and effectively. Number 5. Energup Dyson Replacement Charger. This charger is designed to seamlessly replace your old Dyson Charger. It's compatible with a wide range of Dyson cordless vacuum models, ensuring a perfect fit. It boasts an input of 100-240V and an output of 26.1V, 0.8 Ah. This ensures efficient and safe charging for your Dyson vacuum. It's compatible with various Dyson models, including the V6, V7, and V8 series, as well as several DC and SV models. Check the description for a full list of compatible models. It's designed to perfectly replace your original Dyson Charger. It's built with safety features to prevent overheating and short circuits, providing reliable performance. It carries multiple safety certifications, including CE, FCC, RHS, and PSE. Plus, it comes with a 45-day money-back guarantee and a 15-month manufacturer's warranty. We're committed to providing excellent customer service. If you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like. It boasts compatibility with a wide range of Dyson models. This ensures a reliable charge for your vacuum, preventing any downtime. If you own multiple Dyson vacuums or are unsure of your model number, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The charger puts out about 26.1 volts. My Dyson is back up and working again. I charged the vacuum for just 15 minutes from a completely dead battery, and it had enough power to clean a 2-bedroom house. I purchased this for an older Dyson vac, and this AC charger has done the job and actually takes less time to recharge the battery than the original one, which was over 5 years old. Number 4. Dyson AC Adapter 205720-02. This is the genuine Dyson AC Adapter, model 205720-02. It's designed for worldwide use with its auto-switching 100-240V 50-60 Hz input. It provides the perfect power for your Dyson cordless vacuum. Simply plug it in and get back to cleaning. This adapter is compatible with various Dyson V6, V7, and V8 models. Check the list to ensure compatibility with your vacuum. Thanks to its auto-switching voltage, it works anywhere in the world. Take it with you on your travels. It fits perfectly with your Dyson wall dock. Conveniently charge and store your vacuum cleaner. Please note that it will not fit all Dyson models. Double-check the compatibility list before purchasing to avoid any inconvenience. What we like. It's an original Dyson product, guaranteeing quality and performance. Its auto-switching voltage makes it suitable for global use, so you can charge your vacuum wherever you are. If you prioritize authenticity and international travel, this is the charger for you. Number 3. Dyson Replacement Charger. This charger is a perfect replacement for your Dyson vacuum cleaner. It's compatible with various models, ensuring a seamless charging experience. It works with many Dyson cordless vacuum models, including V6, V7, V8, several DC and SV series. Check the description to confirm compatibility with your specific model. This high-quality charger provides reliable power for your vacuum. It's built to last and will keep your Dyson running smoothly. Simply plug it in and charge your Dyson vacuum. It's just as easy to use as your original charger. We offer a 45-day money-back guarantee, a 15-month manufacturer's warranty, and lifetime customer support. We're here to help if you have any questions or issues. Please note that this charger is not compatible with all Dyson models. Double-check the compatibility list to ensure it fits your vacuum before purchasing. What we like. This charger offers a great balance of quality and affordability. It's a reliable replacement that won't break the bank. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution without compromising on performance, this is a great option. Number 2. Dyson V6 V9 Vacuum Charger. This charger is designed for various Dyson cordless vacuum models, ensuring a reliable and safe charging experience. It's compatible with a wide range of popular Dyson models. It seamlessly works with Dyson V6, V7, V8, and other specified models. Check the compatibility list to ensure it's right for your vacuum. This charger is UL listed, meaning it has undergone rigorous safety testing. It includes overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection. With a 6-foot power cord, it offers flexible placement options. It also fits most Dyson wall-mount charging stations for convenient storage. It features an input of 100-240V and an output of 26V 0.78A. It's a direct replacement for several Dyson original charger part numbers. Please double-check the compatibility list. It is not compatible with several Dyson models, including the V10, V11, and V12 series. Ensure your model is listed before purchasing. What we like. It's a safe and reliable charger with UL certification. The extra-long cord provides convenient charging flexibility. If safety and convenience are your top priorities, this is the charger for you. What people say. Replaced the charger for our old Dyson Animal, it's worked great so far. Did seem slightly different in shape from our original, but it clicked in place just fine and works with the wall mount. This charger fits my Dyson V8 Animal and charges the battery just like the OEM charger. It's good quality and the cord appears to be durable. We received the charger and it charged the vacuum as indicated. It fit just like the factory charger would have. It was very easy to use, its quality was just as good as the factory charger in my opinion. Number 1. Dyson Charger 205720-02. It's compatible with many Dyson cordless vacuum models, including V6, V7, V8, and several DC and SV series. This ensures a perfect fit for your cleaning needs. It has an input voltage of 100-240V, making it suitable for worldwide use. You can conveniently charge your vacuum cleaner wherever you are. It is compatible with various part numbers, including 209462-01, 209468-01, and many more. Check your vacuum specifications to ensure compatibility. Enjoy peace of mind with our 12-month warranty and 30-day hassle-free return policy. We're here to help if you have any questions. Please note that it will not fit all Dyson models. It is not compatible with DC30, DC31, and several other models. Double-check compatibility before purchasing. It seamlessly integrates with your existing wall-mount charging station for convenient and organized storage. Keep your vacuum charged and ready to go. What we like. It offers global compatibility and a long warranty for peace of mind. It also fits your wall-mount charging station. If you need a versatile charger with excellent support, this is the one for you. What people say. It was easy to set up and use right away. What I like most about this charger is that it's compatible with multiple Dyson models, so I don't have to worry about buying a new charger if I upgrade my vacuum in the future. The charger is also very compact and easy to store when not in use. It was identical to the original one and it has been doing an amazing job since I received it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.